Hi, what's up guys? It's Bashar again, and I am back with another video and a new adventure of my traveling around the world in 80 days. But before we dive into the details, I wish to thank you for stopping by and watching this video. Today I continue my journey and explore this amazing city by visiting one of the best sport places that I have liked in my life, which is Camp Nou, the official stadium of my favorite team, FC Barcelona. Stay with me and don't miss this visit to the stadium, which was recorded before the renovation. Excuse me, how can I go to Camp Nou?
Okay, this street,
This?
the store left, and
First?
the
First
this
left.
No, the second. See the first left, and you go straight on, and you see Camp Nou.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
Have a good day. Barcelona has a very good subway or metro service, as 8 lines of trains serve the city. You can take line number 3 or 5 to reach the stadium. From any place you are in the city, you need to stop at Palau Rail Station if you are using line 3, or you stop at Col Blanc Station if you are using line 5. Then walk about 8 to 10 minutes to arrive at the stadium. If you don't have Google Map on your phone, everyone will show you the stadium after you use the subway, as the stadium is very well known in the area. I headed straight to Camp Nou, the official stadium of FC Barcelona. As a football fan and my favorite team is Barcelona, this was a dream come true. I started my visit to the museum, where I got to watch the rich history of the club and see some of the most iconic moments in football history. The excitement only grew as I stepped into the stadium itself. Standing in the same spot where legends have played was a surreal experience. Thank you. Camp Nou, meaning new field, often referred to in English as the Nou Camp, currently known as Spotify Camp Nou for sponsorship reasons, is the home stadium of La Liga club Barcelona since its opening in 1957. It is currently undergoing renovation, and with a planned increasing seating capacity of 105,000, it will be the stadium with the largest capacity in Spain and Europe, and the second largest football stadium in the world. Camp Nou has hosted two European Cup Champions League finals in 1989 and 1999, two European Winners' Cup finals, four Intercities Fair Cup final games, four Copa del Rey final, two Copa de la Liga finals, and 21 Supercopa de España finals. It also hosted 5 matches in the 1982 FIFA World Cup, including the opening game, half of the 4 matches at the 1964 European Nations Cup, and the football tournament final at the 1992 Summer Olympics. Renovation of the stadium commenced after the end of the 2022-2023 season. The final completion of all renovations is scheduled for June 2026. Although the club may return before that date, during the renovation, Stade Olympique Louis Companies is serving as Barcelona's home ground.
Men det kan ni göra för jag vad är toppen då?
On 24 September 1957, the feast of La Marseille, the Camp Nou, was opened. A solemn mass presided over by the Archbishop, who welcomed the finished stadium. Dignitaries of the Franco regime and of the city gathered in the presidential tribune, and some 90,000 people attended the opening ceremony in the stands of the huge stadium. During the event, football clubs from all over Catalonia paraded on the field, as well as members of the different sections of Barca.
Y grita, es como, puedo tocar a Messi. Ahora, mira, métele. Espera. Métele una cachetada ahí. Métele una cachetada ahí.
La foto? Yes.
No, video. Video better.
Yeah.
Gracias a Nicholina he conocido el amor. Cada niño, a su época tiene su ídolo.
Pueden tocar el paso oficial de la cancha si quieren.
Siamo nel portonello, nel
Eso existe. ¿Se puede hacer?
Sweetie, can you record video with me? This is video. Just show me. You can press this for picture also. Yeah, press it hard. Okay. Thank you. Like Santiago Bernabeu Stadium of Real Madrid, the stadium was inspired by the Kop, home of Feyenoord Rotterdam, which was built in 1937 and featured over rings around the pitch, resulting in continuous stands without open corners.
is Lionel Messi.
Vai, Achille.
Barcelona is a transport hub, with the port of Barcelona being one of Europe's principal seaport and busiest European passenger port. An international airport, Barcelona El Prat Airport, which handle over 50 million passengers per year, an extensive motorway network, and a high-speed rail line with a link to France and the rest of Europe. Barcelona, the cosmopolitan capital of Spain's Catalonia region, is known for its art and architecture. The fantastical Sagrada Familia Church and other modernist landmarks designed by Antoni Gaudio dot the city. Museo Picasso and Fundació Juan Miró feature modern art by their namesakes. City History Museum, MUHBA, includes several Roman archaeological sites. That was my second video of my visit to Barcelona, but still I have more places to visit in my third video of this city, which will be the last video of this vibrant city I visited as a part of my amazing trip around the world in 80 days. If you reached this part of video, please give it a like and share with me your comments about this city. We'll see you in the next video that I will show about my visit to Montjuic Castle in Barcelona. See you there and have a wonderful time watching.